Right. Good evening. Last day we have discussed about one of the main control structures in programming, that is sequence, and we also discuss about small homework and actually kind of game. So actually I just wanted to give you interest in creating games, and that's why I have given that exercise, and we discuss about variables too. And today we'll discuss about the second control structure. So we already discussed about one control structure. Can you remember the first control structure that we have discussed? Can anyone remember the first control structure that we have discussed? Anadi? Ranitma? Hiruka, can you remember? Or Ravihara? Can you guys hear me? Hello? ඔයාලට මාව ඇහෙනවද පුතේ? ඔය ඇහෙන්නේ නැද්ද? අනදි? Okay, it seems that you cannot hear me, no? Right. Wait. Right. Just let me remind things if you cannot remember. In sequence, instructions are executed one after the another. Okay, so in case if you have not written the note, so can you please write this? Can you please